Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cancel AMC Plus subscription in 2025. For that, first of all, you need to open your web browser and search for amcplus.com. You can even follow the same steps in the AMC Plus mobile application. So once you are on this page, you just have to simply log in into your account, and once you have successfully done that, you will be shown this type of page in front of you where you will be asked that if you want to cancel your AMC Plus subscription, you need to first of all select where did you subscribe. So if you have subscribed directly at amcplus.com, simply select this option and then it will provide you these details. Now, once you are in your subscriptions tab, you will see the cancel option right next to it. So you need to simply click on this cancel option and select the reason of your cancellation. Afterwards, you need to confirm your cancellation, and this way you will be able to cancel your subscription. They have also given you the direct link of cancelling subscription, so you can click on this link and it will redirect you on the subscriptions page. Now, if you face any kind of problem while cancelling your AMC Plus subscription, I would highly recommend you to click on this contact us option and you can contact the AMC Plus customer support team that is available from 9 a.m. to 12 midnight Eastern time from Monday to Sunday. So you can simply just ask them for how you can cancel AMC Plus subscription, but most probably you just have to follow these simple steps and you are done. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. If you have any questions, you can do let me know that in the comment section below as well. Thanks for watching.